Uria wari mubunge wa Gatanga no uranyotagira giturwa kia ugavana na tigiti wa Jubilee County ya Nairobi Peter Kenneth ni anire gukana thidefeini ari mundu kiube kihitahitano-ini gia kuyukia ugavana wa Nairobi. Akihura githuri Kenneth ugete hidani ikinyu Nairobi itherwo kuma kuri utongoria wa gavana Kidero wa ODM amuda kinyaneirie mendekithia maikari ya Nairobi.
All the strongholds of the big parties, I will campaign because it's a question of educating. It's a question of discussing. It's a question of the voters feeling what you can do for them. And that's what we want to do.
Na ciegi mungethaniri wake na tigiti wa kiama kia Jubilee Mike Sonko, Kenneth ni ugete ikinya ria Sonko ria kwamura Polycarp Igathe munini wake ti waja ya kuhonokia Nairobi amudare na umenyo wa utongoria wigemaine na uteti.
Nairobi needs a governor who does not need to be propped up. It requires a governor who is willing to work for Nairobi. You cannot differentiate by saying that you'll play the political role and you leave the managerial vision to somebody else.
Muthenya wa rucio ateti aria merugametie kiube makanyitanira hamwe kiharo-ini gia Kasarani guku Nairobi kuria matanyitwo kuyukia mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta gwathana itena ria keri. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.